There you go. People, listen. I said I'd have the snorkel ready. I know. Fail. Kind of is ready, but it's the bracket I'm having problems with. Just making this bracket now. I've got one in here at the moment, but we've got a bit of a problem here. It's kind of moved on me a bit. I don't know how that's happened, but yeah, bit of a funny one. So we'll see how it turns out anyway. But I might print that one overnight and in the morning judge which one's the better one for the photo shoot. I'll show you this sneak peek at the snorkel head now. There you go, all finished. But the bracket that it came with that goes onto your snorkel didn't work out, so I've had to make me own, but that looks pretty bloody good. And we'll see how it looks on the car. Come back, have a look tomorrow when it's on the car. Good evening all, have a good one, see you later.